Okay friends, now we will look into the control keys, how it works. See, let us look into this. So this is the control keys. See here, these are the control keys, and see the keyboard looks like this. See, there are two control keys in each and every keyboard. See, there is one and there is two. Two control keys are there, and the first control key we are using along with A is, so if you hold control and if you press A, then it will select each and every object on the screen. So what is the use of this control here? So it is the option select all. So to select all the objects on the screen, so it will be useful for us. So now, for suppose I am drawing a line and I am drawing an arc also. See, now I have drawn a rectangle also. See, now what I have done? See, I have drawn a line, I have drawn an arc, and I have drawn a rectangle. So if you want to select all these objects, so what should you do? So you need to hold control from your keyboard and you need to press A, so that see, all the objects on this screen, every object will be selected. So it is the option select all. To select each and every object on the screen, you need to use this Control A shortcut key. And now, so we have already discussed about this. See, Control B, or you can also press F9 functional key to on or off this snap. So there is an option here, Control plus C. So Control, and if you press C, it is the option copy. So to copy the selected objects, so we need to use this option. So see, before we have selected all the objects, right? So if you press control, if you hold control and if you press C, then see, it will show copy clip 5 found. So those items will be copied. So to copy the items or objects, so you need to use this Control C. And now we have, see, there is Control D. Control D is for dynamic UCS on or off. So we have already discussed in the functional keys. So if you want to refer that, so you can go to that and you can refer. We have already discussed about this isoplane top right, or you can refer. We have already discussed about this isoplane top right or left also. So these are the functional keys you need to press, so that you can press this functional key, or you can also use the shortcut at the same time. See, this Control F also we have already discussed, right? And we have already discussed about this also, Control G. And see here, there is an option Control I. Control I for drawing coordinates. So what is the use of this? It changes the coordinates of the drawing. So the drawing coordinates, if you want to change, then you need to hold control and press I. So I am holding control and I am pressing I. So now see, enter new value for coordinates. So it is defaultly in 2, and you can also type 1 and press enter. So that's see. So like that you can change. So enter new value for coordinates. So minimum value is 0 and the maximum value is 2. So like that you can change the coordinates of the drawing. And now see here, there is a control key, Control plus J, so which executes last used command. So what is the use of this? It activates the recently used command. So to activate the recently used command, so you need to hold control and press J. So for suppose if I am drawing a circle, so now I want to repeat this without giving command, so I need to repeat that command. So what should I do? I need to hold the control and I need to press J, so that the circle command will be activated. So to repeat the last used command, or to execute the last used command, we need to use this control key. So we have already discussed about this ortho. And if you press Control plus M, so if you want to open a new drawing file, so see here, what is the use of this Control N? It opens the new drawing file. So to open the new drawing file, so you need to hold control and you need to press N. So that see, it will open a dialog box like this, and you need to select this AutoCAD and you need to click on this open, so that your new drawing file will be open for you. So now there is an option here, Control plus O. So to open the existing files, so it opens the already existing files. So to open the existing files, we need to use this Control O to open. So if you want to open already the existing or the already created drawing files, so we need to use this Control shortcut key. So what is the shortcut? I need to hold Control and I need to press O, so that, see, it will ask you the location, so where your drawing files are there. So you need to select that location and you can select that drawings and you can select and click open, so that the already existing drawings will be open for you. So now there is an option here, Control plus P. So to print or plot, so it will open print options dialog box. So what is the use of this Control plus P? So we have created this drawing. So for suppose, so we have created this drawing and I need to take a print of this drawing. So what should I do? It will be open if you hold Control plus P. So if you press that, so this is the plot model, and if this is the print page setup. So here there is a name here, so you can select here, and there is a name of this plotter which the plotter has connected. So you need to select the connected plotter or printer from here, and see here you need to select the paper size, A4 or what should you need, what size you need. So you need to select the paper size from A0 to A1, A2, A3, like that. There are paper sizes. And here there is a plot area, what to plot. So there are some options here, display extents, limits. So most of the times we use this window option. I am selecting this window, so that within the selected area, I am selecting within this area, so the selected area will be selected to print the drawing. So now if you tick on this, so it will be set to the center of this page. So center the plot, if you tick on, so it will set to the center, and if you tick on this fit to paper, so it will fit to the paper. So you can change the unit system from here, inches to the millimeters. So see here there is a plot style. See, like that there are different options in this, and there is a drawing orientation, and this is the orientation of portrait orientation. And if you need any landscape orientation also, you can select from here landscape, or plot upside down if you need any reverse drawings also, so you can select this. So like that you can send. If you click OK, so then your print will be coming out. And now there is an option here, Control plus F, to save the drawing. So it saves our drawing to the specified location. So what does it mean? If you hold Control and if you press S, so it is the option save. And see here, so now I need to change any modifications to this drawing and drawing some profile, and now I need to save this drawing. So what should I do? So I need to hold the Control, and if I press yes, so it will be saved. So where this drawing has been opened, so it will save to the to that particular location. See, from where this drawing has been taken from here, see, and we have made modifications, and if you press Ctrl S, so it will be saved to that particular location. So it is the option. So if you need to save any drawings when you have created, so you need to use this Ctrl plus S, so that your drawings will be saved. So now there is an option here, Ctrl plus Shift plus S. So if you hold three of these, so if it will be save as. So what does it do? So it saves our drawing to the specified location with a different file name. So what I have told previous, so we opened this drawing, right, from some location we have opened. So we have made modifications. So if you press Ctrl S, so that this modified drawings will also be saved in that this drawing file with a different name and with different location you need to save. So in that case you need to hold Ctrl and Shift, and if you press S, so it will be save as. Dialog box will be open. See, save drawing as dialog box will be open, and the same drawing with a different file name you can, so with different file name, some A or B, whatever the file name you can give. So you can give the file name and you can select whatever you need, where to save. You can choose the location from here. I am saving into these documents, and you can also select into the specified folder also, so that it will be saved to that specified folder. So now there is an option here, files of type. So I am using the version 2021, right? So if you click here drop down, so there are different versions are there. So don't try to open latest versions of drawing files into the older versions of AutoCAD. So those will not be open. So while you are saving drawings, so you are working, for suppose you are working in 2023 version, and if you save this drawing, so in that version it will be saved. So and in some other systems there will be older versions like 2016 or 2012 or 2014, like that the older versions will be there. So in every system there won't be the latest versions, or everybody won't use the latest versions. So if you want to open your drawing files in each and every version of AutoCAD, so you need to, while saving your drawing, so you need to give the file name, and you can click here a files of type. So if you save, see here, if you select this AutoCAD 2018, so it will be saved to this version. If you select this AutoCAD 2013, so it will be saved into this version. So if you select this 2010, so those drawings will be saved in this version. So whatever versions you can select. So I am selecting this 2013. So see here, file of type 2013 will be selected. And if you save this file in this documents folder, so it will be saved. I have given this location, right? I am giving the name AA, and I am clicking on save. So that I have saved this as 2013 format that I have created in 2021. This file which I have created in 2021, but I have saved in 2013. So this drawing file will be open in whatever the versions you can open. So but you cannot open the files which has created in latest versions, and don't try to open those latest version drawing files into the older versions of drawing file. Those won't be open for you. So you need to save these drawing files into the older versions, and you can open that older versions of AutoCAD files into the latest versions also. So you need to remember this while saving your drawings. So many people are trying to open latest versions of AutoCAD files into older versions of AutoCAD files. So those won't be applied. And now we have already so once check this. So now there is a control key, control plus V. So control plus V, if you hold control and press V, then it is the option paste. So it pastes the copied objects. So what does it mean? So we have, see, for suppose we have created all these drawings, right? So I am pressing Control A, so that all the objects will be selected, and again I am holding and pressing C, so that I am copying this item. So already copied items will be pasted into some other, so it will be used. So I need to paste these drawings. So now I am holding control and I am pressing V, so that see, these objects, the copied objects will be tagged to the cursor, and you can click here, so that these items will be pasted here. Copied items will be pasted. So to paste the copied item, so you need to use this control plus V. So for suppose, see here, there is a control plus X. Control plus X is for cut. So it cuts or erases the selected objects. So I am selecting again control A. I am selecting all the objects, and I am pressing control and I am pressing X, so that all the objects will be erased. So if you want to erase each and everything, so you can select all and you can select control X, so that items will be erased. And see here, there is an option here, control plus Y. So comes to front operation. So see, these two are in opposite relation, right? So if you press Ctrl Z, what does it happen? So it will undo the operations. What? Undo means goes to the previous operation. So I am pressing Ctrl and Z. What happens? Before we have done these items erased, right? We have erased the items. So if you hold Ctrl and press Z, so those items will be back again. See. So it is the Ctrl Z. So to undo the operation or to go to the previous operation, so you need to use Ctrl plus Z. So I need to go front again. So to go or to redo the operation, so you need to use this Ctrl plus Y. So if you hold Ctrl and if you press Y, so you go to the front operation or you go to the past operations, so which is opposite to Control. So now there is an option Control plus 0. It is not O, it is 0. So what it does, clean screen on or off. So it shows or hides everything on the graphical area. So if you use this shortcut Control plus O, I am holding Control and I am pressing 0. So see, everything will be erased. The clean screen. Again, if you press Control and O, see the ribbon area and these home tabs will be erased, and the status bar also, this task bar, each and everything will be erased. I am again using Control plus O, so that see nothing will be appeared, all are in hidden mode. If you again press Control and 0, so those will be appeared again. See, those will be appeared. So it is the option Control plus 0. So if you press Control plus 1, so it is the option Change Properties. It opens the Change Properties dialog box. So I am pressing Control and I am pressing 1. So that see, Change Properties dialog box will be open. So to open this Change Properties dialog box, what should we do? We need to go to command line and we need to give the command. We need to go to command line and we need to give the command CH and press enter, so that this dialog box will be open. So instead of giving command, so you can directly use the shortcut Control plus 1, so that Change Properties dialog box will be open for you. So there is an option here Control plus 2. So AutoCAD Design Center. So it opened the Design Center of AutoCAD dialog box. So to open the AutoCAD Design Center dialog box, what should we do? So normally we will go to the command line and we will give the command ADC for AutoCAD Design Center and press enter, so that this dialog box is opening, right? So as that option, so if you press Control and if you press 2, so the same dialog box will be open. So it is the shortcut key Control plus 2 to, and see here there is Control plus 3. So tool palettes dialog box will be open for you. So it opens the AutoCAD tool palettes dialog box. So to open the tool palettes dialog box, what should we do normally? So we will go to the command line and we will give the command TP and press enter, so that your tool palettes dialog box will be open for us, right? So as in the similar case, so if you hold Control and if you press 3, so the same tool palettes dialog box will be open and you can use whatever you need. So see here there is an option here Control plus 8. So quick calculator, it will be open. So it opens the calculator dialog box. So what does it mean? So normally if you need any calculator, so we will go to the command line and we will type CAL and press enter, right? So that the expressions will be it will be asked. So now no, I don't want to give the expressions. I need some calculator type. So what should we do? We will go to the command line and type, you need to give the command quick cal and press enter. So if you give the command quick cal and press enter, so this is the quick calculator dialog box. So there are different options here. See, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. So these trigonometric options will be there, and you can convert the unit system also. See, there are multiple options here. You can change this length, or you can change to area, or you can change the unit systems. So whatever you need, so you can do here in this quick calculator option. You can give the variables also here like this. So it is the option most advanced calculator. See, for suppose I am calculating 42 plus 30 divided by 2. is equals to, so that it will give the exact value. So like that, if you need any difficult calculations also, you can do by using this quick calculator. So you can open that quick calculator by giving the command quick calc, or you can also use this shortcut Ctrl plus 8. So I am pressing Ctrl plus 8. See, the same dialog box will be open and you can use whatever the expressions you need. So x power 2, it will be squared and it will be cubed, and it will give the variables, different variables and fractions. See, whatever you can done this on this calculator. So there is a last command Ctrl plus 9. So command window or command line, it will show or hide the command window. So this is the command window, right from the starting video I am telling you. So type a command here, it is there. So this is the command window. So if you click on this into mark, so see here there is a dialog box like this. Do you want to close the command line window? To display the command line window again, so press Ctrl plus 9, it will show. So if you click on this S, so that command line window won't be appeared. So if you need again that command line window to appear, so what should you do? You need to hold Ctrl and you need to press 9, so that will be activated. That will be activated. See, again the command line window will be appeared for you. So if you again press Ctrl plus 9, so it will ask you this dialog box. If you press S, so it will be in the hidden mode, and if you want back again, so you need to hold Ctrl and press 9, so that command line window will be again appeared for us. So far we have discussed about all these commands. So these commands will be appeared here also, application menu. If you click on this A symbol is for application menu of AutoCAD. I am clicking here. See, there are different options here. So if you want the new drawing file, you can click here. If you want to open the existing files, you can click here open. If you want to save your drawings, click here save. So if you want to save your drawings with a different file name, with different location, you can save this. You can click on the save as. If you want to import any drawings in the form of PDF or in the form of drawing files or in the other formats, so you can use this import option. So if you can use this is the PDF format and this is the drawing format, you can import into these drawing files. So if you want to export the drawing files, so in the form of DWF format or DWFX format or 3D DWX or PDF format, so whatever formats, so these need some connection of internet, so you can use all these options. You can export the drawings in any format also, or you can also import the drawings also. So if you want to publish or if you want to send any drawings through mail or through any social media, so you can also use this publish option. So in this publish, there is a mail here. So if you click here on mail, so you can create a profile and you can use that. So it needs some internet connection. So this is the publish option. So you can share the drawings through email also. And see here there is a print option. So if you need to print your drawings, so if you want to get the output through any papers, so you need to use this print option. So there are plot, batch plot. So if you want, so this is plot for if you want any size, so you can plot your drawings. And if you want batch plot means more than one drawings. So we have opened more than one drawings, right? So if you want the batch plot, so you can use this. So if you want to preview the drawing before printing or before plotting, so you can click here print preview also. So the preview, after checking the preview of the drawing, so you can view the print. So view plot and publish details and page setup. So you can give the margins here, right, left, top, bottom. So whatever the margins you need, so you can give the margins type option. So see here there is an option drawing utilities. So there are drawing properties, drawings, comparisons, units, audit, status, like that. Different drawing utilities are there. You can also use this option, and if you click on this options button, see, it will open this options dialog box. So you can see here files, display, open and save, plot, publish, system, user, drafting, 3D modeling, whatever you need. So if you need this dialog box, so you need to go to command line, type OP for options and press enter, so that this dialog box will be opened. So instead of giving this command and opening that, so you can go to this application menu and you can go to this drawing utilities, and if you click on this option, so that dialog box will be open for us. So if you want to exit, so that dialog box will be open for us. So if you want to exit from this drawing file or from this AutoCAD, so you need to click on this close. It will ask you save changes to drawing 1. No. So if you want to exit from here, so you can use this close option. So current drawing it will close, or it will close all drawings. So you can use any option from here. So there is an option here, exit Autodesk AutoCAD